Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an account in Skype. All you need to do is just Google Skype and click Skype and then choose sign in and then sign up. You can use a mobile number or email address. I'll just gonna use email address. Okay, I'll save it and then wait for the code to your email address. And then of course you need to type in the code that you received. You can choose to to receive informations, tips and everything, but I don't want like that one. So yeah. Just wait for it. Yeah, solve the puzzle. Pick the camel. So this one, and then pick the camel, this one, and another one. Pick the camel, this one. So, okay, sign in. Just wait for it. You can choose to allow notification or block it. I choose to block it. So there you have it. You can have your Skype. And with this ones, you can upload photos and that will be on my next video. So I hope this video helped you and see you in the next video. Bye.